How to unblock Uber driver account. Hello everybody, welcome back. If you are wondering how, you may follow up this step. So for that, open up a browser and type in Uber support in the search bar. After that, head over to Uber support and customer service. Once you are there, this help desk appears. Now from here, head over to driving and delivering. And after going to driving and delivering, here you should be finding different options. You may lead over to the option called account and app. Tap on it. And from here you may head over to any options like can sign in or go online, or this one right here, which is I need to contact support. Tap on it. Once tapped on it, you will be finding this page, something like this, where you need to fill up a form. So first of all, you need to enter up your first name and last name and list all the email address associated with your current and previous Uber accounts, and the mobile number associated with the account, and last 4 digits of driver license number required, and which location that you're trying to drive in. So all you gotta do is fill up those forms, and you need to go ahead and basically give a description about how you want to unlock your profile. You should be finding a similar kind of form. All you gotta do is simply enter up everything that they're asking, and once that is done, once you convince them, they should probably help you out in order to unblock your Uber driver account. So that's it for now. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.